Hiking is a popular outdoor activity that can provide many benefits for physical and mental health. Hiking can also help you appreciate the beauty and diversity of nature. In this video, we will explore some of the different types of hiking trails and the views they offer. One of the most challenging and rewarding types of hiking trails is the mountain trail. Mountain trails can vary in difficulty, length, and elevation gain, but they all share the common feature of climbing up or down a mountain. Mountain trails can offer spectacular views of the surrounding landscape, such as valleys, lakes, forests, and other mountains. However, mountain trails also require more preparation, equipment, and safety precautions than other types of trails. You should always check the weather conditions, carry enough water and food, wear appropriate clothing and footwear, and follow the trail signs and markers. Another type of hiking trail is the rocky trail. Rocky trails are usually found in arid or desert regions, where the soil is dry and hard. Rocky trails can be flat or hilly, but they are often uneven and rough. Rocky trails can offer unique views of rock formations, canyons, caves, and fossils. However, rocky trails also pose some challenges for hikers. You should watch your step, avoid sharp edges and loose rocks, protect yourself from the sun and heat, and beware of snakes and scorpions. A third type of hiking trail is the forest trail. Forest trails are usually found in humid or temperate regions, where the vegetation is lush and green. Forest trails can be flat or steep, but they are often smooth and shady. Forest trails can offer relaxing views of trees, flowers, streams, and wildlife. However, forest trails also have some drawbacks for hikers. You should avoid poison ivy, ticks, mosquitoes, and bears, stay on the marked path to avoid getting lost, and respect the natural environment by not littering or picking plants.